Hi guys, Fred the Infredible here, and I'm back with another Pokemon card opening video. Now, if you guys remember the last opening that I did here on the channel, then you may remember me opening up this Paradox Rift pre-release box. Or in other words, a build and battle box. Now, for this Pokemon card opening video, I want to try to shake things up a little by opening up one of these Clickball tins that I got last night, as well as 6 of these Funko Harry Potter Kinder Joy Eggs. Now, before I go ahead and open up these Pokemon, well, not these Pokemon cards, this Pokemon card tin, as well as these Kinder Joy Eggs, I want you all to please do me a huge favor and smash that like button and hit that subscribe button as well so that you can become part of the Incredible community. Also, please be sure to ring the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, I think I'll go ahead and start off by opening up these Kinder Joy Eggs first, which come with a special snack. Well, this part with the gold foil on the top is the snack part. Okay, these also come with these little snap together Funko Pops related to Harry Potter. But let's see which one we got. Ooh, I got Professor McGonagall. I think this might be an ornament of some sort. Okay, let's see. I got the first Funko Pop here, like almost put together. Hopefully I can get it to snap in place. Ah, there we go. I think this one might be Professor McGonagall. I mean, I'm not really sure. Not sure if you guys can see that very well. Okay. Now, I'm gonna try to taste test the snack that comes in these Kinder Joy Eggs for you guys. So let's see. Man, they're thick. Well, they're not too bad. Okay. From a food critic's from a food critic's perspective, I can safely say that this was actually very good. Now on to the other 5 Kinder Joy Eggs, but I will not be eating the other Kinder Joy dips that come in them. Instead, I'll be saving them for my other family members. Okay, let's see. Which one do we have next? Ooh, I got Hermione. Well, I'm not sure if you guys can see that very well, but here it is from the front. Okay, so these little Funko Pops that come in these Kinder Joy Eggs are made to look like Christmas tree ornaments. And if I get any duplicates from these, I might try to set them aside and sell them. Okay, egg number 3. Ooh, I got Dumbledore. So far we got, well, I got one Albus Dumbledore, one Hermione Granger, and one Professor McGonagall. Oh, Funko Pop. Well, I guess you could say these are more of pocket pops. But for those of you who are Harry Potter fans out there, unfortunately, the actress who played Professor McGonagall in the Harry Potter movies recently passed away. And earlier this year, Sir Michael Gambon, the second actor to play Dumbledore, passed away as well. And may they rest in peace. Moving on to the fourth egg. Just as I suspected. Another Dumbledore. You know what? On second thought, I think I might give any duplicates that I get from these Kinder Joy Eggs to my older sister and brother-in-law. Oh, after all, Christmas is just right around the corner, and I'll be seeing them again on Christmas Eve. Just as I suspected. Another McGonagall. Okay. Let's see. Now for the last Kinder Joy Egg. Ooh, it's not a duplicate this time, but I got Harry Potter. Okay. Now that I've got all of the Kinder Joy Eggs opened up, I pulled 4 out of the 7 pocket pops that are in the set. Professor McGonagall, Dumbledore, Hermione, and Harry. Now, the only 3 that I'm missing from this set now are of Hagrid, Professor Snape, and Ron Weasley. Unfortunately, most of the cast of the Harry Potter movies has passed away within the past couple of years, including Robert Coltrane and Alan Rickman. May they rest in peace. Okay, now that I've got all of those Kinder Joy Eggs opened up, let's get on to the quick ball tin here. Okay, now these tins come with 3 packs, as a lot of you may know. But we've got Silver Tempest, Lost Origin, and of course another Lost Origin. And let's see. Ooh, this is one big Pokemon card game to not to like coin, but we've got Charizard. Yeah, I actually have collected a few cards from Lost Origin, but I haven't really collected any from Silver Tempest yet. But let's see. I think I'll go ahead and start off with the Silver Tempest pack because it's the odd one out. Okay. Here's the code card for you guys. If you want to pause the screen, you can try to copy the code. Okay, let's see. We got Noibat, Togedemaru, Sandile, Swirlix, Marianne, Ferroseed. Ooh! An Ursaluna Ultra Rare. Awesome! And after that, we've got an energy card, followed by a gym trainer card, Curlia, and Venomoth. Okay, I better go ahead and sleeve up this Ursaluna V card here, and set it off to the side, like so. Now, let's see. For these Lost Origin packs, I think I'm gonna go ahead and open up this Giratina pack card first. Now, for those of you who didn't know, Lost Origin, Astral Radiance, and of course Silver Tempest were all referenced off of Pokemon Legends Arceus. Okay. Code card number 2 for you guys. Let's see, we've got Shellos, Mienfoo, Litleo, Ghastly, Ducklet, Reverse Hollow Electrike, and Honchkrow, non-holographic rare, Energy, Machoke, Fantina, and Gift Energy. Okay, moving on to the last pack, which has Enamorous as the pack artwork. I want to try my best not to lose any of these cards. Okay. Okay. Code card for you guys. Let's see. I can't be too sure if there's a card trick for this set, but let's see. We've got Lightning Energy, or in other words, Electric. Let's see. Box of Disaster, Hisuian Sliggoo, Electric, Litwick, Snover, Apom, Roselia, Goomy. The reverse is going to a Spiritomb, and the final rare is going to a Bayonet, non-holographic rare. Okay, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this particular Pokemon card opening video and Funko Pop opening video. I'm not really sure how else to describe it, but honestly, I was actually pretty satisfied with what I pulled from these little products. And now that I opened up this Quick Ball tin, I can go ahead and add it in my stash with my other Pokeball tins that I opened up, which were the Pokeball tin, the Great Ball, and Ultra Ball. Okay, if you guys could, please do me a huge favor and leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to follow me on my social media, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Goodreads, and Threads. All of those will be down in the description down below. But until then, I will see you guys next time. Peace!